All right, Opendoor update. So went over this one yesterday. The chart was looking great. I discussed that it might pull back a little bit, and it did. It came all the way down today to 563. I was even okay with it coming down to $5. But after hours, we're seeing some news come out. It's up 35 to 40% depending on where you're checking it. It keeps kind of like bouncing around after hours. So we'll see if this fades off in the morning. But this is really good momentum. The news that came out is that Opendoor names the shop COO their new CEO, and his name is Kaz. And then founders Keith and Eric are rejoining the board, which is bullish for the stock. The market is liking it. And basically, they're just saying that they believe that technology is great for leveraging AI to transform the $20 trillion residential real estate industry. And yeah, they mentioned that word AI. Market loves it. And we'll see if that momentum carries. So here's our monthly chart. It was primed to go. I was looking for a little bit of a dip, which we got today. Not the full dip that I was hoping for, but yeah, now we're breaking out. We'll see if we get a retest tomorrow. So I'm definitely going to be watching this one. I hope it carries that momentum and doesn't fade off in the morning. I believe CPI is tomorrow or something like that. But yeah, resistance coming up. Would love to see this thing build and base over this resistance. That would be awesome. And then the other time frames, we can check the weekly. So nothing really changes, but it's looking good for breakouts. And then the daily, nothing really changes. A gap will be there tomorrow. So gaps love to be filled. We'll see if that gets filled early, after hours. You never know. That's why I really don't like when news happens after hours. It's when they tend to do it. But yeah, we'll see what kind of maybe manipulation happens. But this thing could carry the hype into the morning, and we'll see where it goes. As far as the flow for Opendoor, nothing insane, but $2 million in call flow and then about $500,000 in put flow. The most notable ones I saw, obviously, 919, that's 2 weeks out. Saw a little bit of gambling, for weeklies, and then a big order here, 335K for November. But overall, the calls are still outweighing the puts, which is good to see. And then here is what that looks like on the daily right now. So we close at 586, and this gap has been created. We're at 796. I don't think this will get completely filled in one day, but what we could see is some profit taking in this resistance area. If we were to see profit taking, I would like to see it bounce on this breakout line. That'd be huge. But yeah, some people have been in this since the early 50 cents dollar, so that's a lot of profit for them. I wouldn't be surprised to see a little bit of a sell-off and profit taking, but overall, this is just bullish momentum. And yeah, definitely looking for a bounce in this area. I don't see this whole thing filling tomorrow at least. That's pretty much it. Just a quick update on Opendoor. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see how this thing runs tomorrow.